Get ready to uncover two semiconductor stocks that could be absolute game changers for your portfolio. These aren't just any stocks. They've got serious potential to shake up the market. You know, the ones you kick yourself for not buying before they skyrocketed. These might be those stocks. Here's the deal. One of these stocks could potentially double in value. And trust me, you don't want to be the one saying, "I nearly bought that." Now gear up and ride the tech wave, because the semiconductor industry is exploding with growth. With a massive 18.3% year-over-year jump in global sales, these tiny chips are powering everything from smartphones to smart homes. The US is set to triple its domestic production by 2032, fueling a market expected to hit $607.40 billion this year alone. Here's the bold prediction. The next trillion-dollar company will emerge from the semiconductor sector within the next 5 years, and the stocks we're about to reveal could be your ticket to riding that wave. So where does this leave you as an investor? Let's focus on two semiconductor stocks that stand out from the crowd. Starting with Qorvo Incorporation, ticker QRVO. Qorvo Incorporation is a leader in the wireless, wired, and power markets. It operates through three main segments: high-performance analog, HPA, connectivity and sensors group, CSG, and advanced cellular group, ACG. In plain terms, Qorvo is a driving force behind the technology that powers smartphones, wireless infrastructure, and even advanced military systems. They're the company behind the scenes, making sure the tech we use daily is faster, more efficient, and ready for the future. Financially, Qorvo is no slouch. Their trailing 12-month EBIT margin stands at an impressive 11.12%, which is a massive 127.3% higher than the industry average of 4.89%. What does this tell us? Qorvo is running its business efficiently and profiting at a much higher rate than its peers. To assess this profitability over time, you can use the exponential moving average EMA. Track Qorvo's stock using the 50-day EMA to see if the price stays above the trend, which would confirm upward momentum. When we look at their return on total capital, it's at 4.92%, which is 84.5% higher than the industry average of 2.67%. Pair this metric with the Relative Strength Index, RSI, to ensure the stock isn't overbought. If Qorvo's RSI climbs above 70, it may indicate the stock is overbought, signaling a possible pullback. An RSI below 30 signals oversold conditions, which might indicate a buying opportunity. In the most recent quarter, Qorvo's revenue jumped by 36.2% year-over-year to $886.67 million. Additionally, their adjusted gross profit surged by nearly 30%, reaching $362.70 million. But here's the big highlight. Their non-GAAP net income shot up by 148.5% to $83.52 million, or 87 cents per share. That's a significant jump and a clear signal that Qorvo is capitalizing on the growing demand for advanced chips. To monitor this momentum, you can apply the moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. If the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it shows bullish momentum, confirming that Qorvo is on an upward trajectory. Looking forward, analysts are bullish on Qorvo's future. For the quarter ending March 31st, 2025, Qorvo's earnings per share, EPS, is projected to increase by 6.8%, while revenue is expected to grow by 2.9%. Over the past 9 months, Qorvo's stock has gained 11%, closing its most recent trading session at $108.11. When evaluating potential volatility, use Bollinger Bands. If Qorvo's price approaches the upper band, the stock may be overbought, and a retracement could be expected. However, if the price nears the lower band, it may signal an entry point. Qorvo isn't just outperforming, it's also highly rated by analysts. According to Power Ratings, the stock holds an overall rating of B, which translates to a buy. It ranks number 5 out of 90 stocks in the semiconductor and wireless chip industry, with strong grades in growth, sentiment, and quality. But before we dive into the next stock, here's a quick question. If you could only hold one semiconductor stock for the next 5 years, which one would it be and why? Comment your thoughts below. Moving on to our second stock, Cirrus Logic Incorporation, ticker CROS. Cirrus Logic, a fabless semiconductor company, is a leader in high-performance audio and voice technology, powering premium smartphones and high-end headphones with their smart codecs, amplifiers, and DSPs. In June 2024, they launched cutting-edge digital-to-analog converters, DCs, and an ultra-high-performance audio codec targeting musicians, live entertainers, and recording engineers. This move not only enhances audio quality, but also solidifies their leadership in the audio space while opening up exciting new revenue streams. Financially, Cirrus Logic is in excellent shape. Their trailing 12-month return on common equity stands at 17.18%, which is 276.9% higher than the industry average. That's a staggering figure and speaks to how well the company manages its resources. Their return on total capital is equally impressive at 12.31%, 361.3% higher than the industry average of 2.67%. To maximize gains here, use the RSI to assess overbought or oversold conditions. Pair that with the MACD to confirm bullish momentum. momentum. When the MACD crosses above the signal line, it could be a buy signal. During their fiscal first quarter, which ended on June 29, 2024, Cirrus Logic reported net sales of $374.3 million, up 18% year-over-year. Their income from operations surged by 163% to $46.79 million, while their non-GAAP net income came in at $62.37 million, with EPS of $1.12, a 67.2% increase from the prior year quarter. Use Bollinger Bands to track volatility. If Cirrus Logic's stock price nears the upper band, it may indicate short-term strength, but also possible overbought conditions, signaling caution. Looking ahead, analysts expect Cirrus Logic to continue delivering strong results. For the quarter ending September 30, 2024, EPS is expected to rise by 12.4%, with revenue projected to increase by 8.2%. Cirrus Logic has a strong track record of beating estimates, having surpassed EPS and revenue expectations in each of the past 4 quarters. Over the past 9 months, the stock has surged by 80.5%, closing at $137.47 in its most recent session. Cirrus Logic is currently ranked number 1 in the semiconductor and wireless chip industry, according to PABUR ratings, with strong marks in value, sentiment, and quality. The company's innovative products and financial strength make it a compelling stock for long-term investors. When we break down the numbers, we can see that both Qorvo and Cirrus Logic are excelling in their own areas of strength. Qorvo stands out with its impressive EBIT margin of 11.12%, well above the industry average, and its strong return on total capital at 4.92%, showing that the company is efficiently managing its resources and generating profit from its investments. Additionally, with a 36.2% year-over-year revenue growth and a massive 148.5% surge in non-GAAP net income, Qorvo's financial health reflects its ability to capitalize on growing demand in wireless and power markets. On the other hand, Cirrus Logic is making waves with a remarkable return on total capital of 12.31%, a staggering 361.3% above the industry average. It's also shown solid revenue growth of 18% year-over-year, with a 67.2% jump in non-GAAP net income. Perhaps most notable is Cirrus Logic's outstanding 163% increase in income from operations and its stock price growth of 80.5% over the past 9 months. These metrics highlight its leadership in high-performance audio technologies and its ability to outperform expectations. In summary, both stocks are thriving, with Qorvo focusing on profitability and operational efficiency, and Cirrus Logic excelling in revenue growth and stock performance. Together, they provide excellent opportunities in the rapidly growing semiconductor industry. Before we wrap up, here's something to think about. With the semiconductor market booming, which sector do you think will benefit the most? Consumer electronics, automotive, or something completely unexpected? Let us know in the comments. In summary, both Qorvo and Cirrus Logic are uniquely positioned to capitalize on the rapidly growing demand for semiconductors. Whether you're interested in Qorvo's expertise in wireless and power markets or Cirrus Logic's dominance in audio technologies, these two stocks are worth your attention. They're not just riding the semiconductor wave, they're helping to lead it. Thanks for sticking with us. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Simple Investing Secrets for more insights like this. And remember, this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.